everyone. Today we will discuss the part 68 of the NEET PG important questions, and today we will discuss the questions of the topic front of thigh. Skin overlying the femoral triangle is supplied by which nerve? It is supplied by the ilioinguinal nerve and the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Nerve emerging through the superficial inguinal ring, it is the ilioinguinal nerve. Nerve emerging after piercing through the femoral sheath, it is the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. What is the root value of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve? L2, L3. What is the root value of the posterior branch of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve? It is L2. What is the root value of the anterior branch of the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve? So it is L3. Meralgia paresthetica is due to involvement of which nerve? Lateral femoral cutaneous nerve of thigh. What is the root value of the genitofemoral nerve? So it is L1, L2. Genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve conveys fibers from which spinal segment? From the L1 spinal segment. Femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve conveys fibers from the L2 spinal segment. Nerve piercing the psoas major muscle, it is which nerve? Genitofemoral nerve. Cremaster muscle, skin of scrotum, mons pubis and the labium majus are supplied by which nerve? By the genital branch of the genitofemoral nerve. Ilioinguinal nerve supplies skin of which part? Front of thigh, root of penis, upper part of scrotum or labium majus. Which is the pre-axial vein of the lower limb? So it is the great saphenous vein. And which is the post-axial vein of the lower limb? So it is the small saphenous vein. Which is the longest vein of the body? So it is great saphenous vein. Great saphenous vein starts as continuation of which end of the dorsal venous arch of foot? So it starts as continuation of the medial end of the dorsal venous arch of foot and is supplemented by the medial marginal vein. Which are the tributaries of the great saphenous vein just before piercing into cribriform fascia? So they are superficial epigastric vein, superficial circumflex iliac vein and the superficial external pudendal vein. Which are the tributaries of the great saphenous vein just before opening in the femoral vein? So it is the deep external pudendal vein. How many number of valves are present in the great saphenous vein? So there are about 10 to 20 valves in the great saphenous vein. Short saphenous vein starts from the lateral end of the dorsal venous arch, runs below the lateral malleolus and is accompanied by the sural nerve. Small saphenous vein has how many valves? So it has about 7 to 13 valves. Medial lymph nodes of the superficial horizontal group drains which areas? So they drains the penis including the prepuce and the scrotum, vulva and the vagina, below the hymen, perineum and the lower part of the anal canal, below the pectinate line. Lymphatics from the glans penis drains into which nodes? So they drains into the deep inguinal lymph nodes. Saphenous opening is a gap in the fascia lata. Which structures passes through the saphenous opening? So they are the great saphenous vein, superficial epigastric artery, superficial external pudendal artery and the femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve. Iliotibial tract encloses which muscle? So it encloses the tensor fascia lata and the gluteus maximus muscle. Now the floor of the femoral triangle is formed by which muscles? So it is formed by the adductor longus and the pectineus muscle medially and psoas major and the iliacus muscle laterally. And what are the contents of the femoral triangle? So just remember this mnemonics over here. Navel, that is the femoral nerve, artery, vein, empty spaces and the femoral lymphatics. This whole chart is very easy and convenient, so just go through this whole chart once. The trunk of the femoral nerve passes in the gap between which muscle? Iliacus and the psoas muscle. Medial circumflex femoral vessels pass in a gap between the psoas and the pectineus muscle. Profunda femoral artery passes in a gap between which muscles? Pectineus and the adductor longus muscle. In the femoral triangle, the femoral artery anteriorly is crossed by which nerve? By the saphenous nerve. Spinous anastomosis at the anterior superior iliac spine is formed by superficial circumflex iliac artery, superior gluteal artery and the lateral circumflex femoral artery. Which is the largest branch of the femoral artery? So it is profunda femoris artery. Profunda femoris artery supplies which compartment of the thigh? So it supplies the median, anterior and the posterior compartment of the thigh. Branches of the lateral circumflex femoral artery takes part in which anastomosis? So it takes part in the spinous anastomosis, cruciate anastomosis and the anastomosis around the knee joint. Which artery is passing between the anterior and the posterior division of the femoral nerve? So it is the lateral circumflex femoral artery. Perforating arteries are the branches from which artery? Profunda femoris artery. So today up till here, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much.